Actually, have been dating each other. So, जान लेते एक दूसरे के बारे में आप दोनों कितना जानते हो? It's like a rapid fire.
Now?
Okay.
Okay, now?
Okay. पहले सबसे पहले, Ishwar, are you wild or daring or slow and steady when it comes to relationship?
I think slow and steady.
What about you?
I've become slow and steady.
Who's better with directions?
As in road directions? Yeah.
Because obviously she's been staying in Mumbai for such a long time. Otherwise my phone. उसमें GPS navigation है उससे.
And who's the drama queen?
He. He is. Sometimes, oh my god, he's such a naughty at times.
Okay.
मतलब सुबह उठ के मेरा सिर दुख रहा है और
Okay.
all this he does. So yeah, he's the drama queen.
Okay, Suresh, when a girl play with her hair, so do you think she's into you? She likes you?
Experience says yes.
What is the best outfit a woman should wear on her first date?
First date. See, depends. If I am like really into a girl, if I'm really looking for my future with her and all that, then I think I would. It should be decent enough. Not very exposing to show how hot she is. A decent dress which makes her look pretty more than hot. If it's just about, and if it's about just a date, it's all call. It's just a call.
What do you expect a guy to be wearing on his first date?
I would just want him to be comfortable. I would want the guy to be himself. So whether he's in jeans or trousers doesn't matter.
Chappals.
Yeah. Even at my birthday party, he was in chappals, so
I'm
it doesn't
comfortable
matter.
with that.
Yeah, so it's just that he's comfortable.
What do you prefer, beauty or blindness?
Can I answer for him?
Okay, first you answer this.
I think all this while he used to prefer beauty. Now, I guess he just prefers.
I think it's just.
And what do you prefer, brains or bronze?
I think 50-50 of both.
If you woke up one morning and you turn into Suresh,
Yeah.
Then I'll start dressing up like him.
Sure.
I think I'll fall in love with myself even more than if I wake up as Suyash.
what about you?
I think I'll call for cereals first. Kellogg's
Cereals or
cake.
breakfast.
Because she doesn't eat anything else than that in the morning. And then I'll sleep. Eat, sleep. That's it. That's it.
How rude is that?
Because, and you'll go to gym. Go to sleep.
Yeah, I'll do it. Finally, I'll lose weight.
Ishwar, if you were marooned on an island with following people, what will you do? First is Rakhi Sawant.
Please don't show this reaction. I will. I think वो बड़े में लिखते हैं ना बीच पे वो SOS save me. I think I'll just write. So yeah, I would just want to get out of that island as soon as possible.
Ritwik.
Ritwik कैसे?
Dhania.
धनिया ले हाँ फिर हम बैठ के गप्पे शप्पे मारेंगे जब तक सुरेश आता नहीं हमें बचाने so we'll be cool.
एक का करो.
Okay, that's a tough one.
You don't get attention. You're
What
good
will
friends with her.
Yeah, I guess we'll just play cards because both of us are really fond of cards and we generally meet during Diwali to play cards. So I guess हम दोनों time pass ऐसे ही कर लेंगे.
Suresh, if you were marooned on an island with Veena Malik,
Ooh.
Ah,
I think you should make her dance and watch her.
she's a drama queen, man. I don't know, man.
You should rachao her swayamvar with like the animals there.
Yeah, exactly. Imagine तो बंद हो गया. अभी imagine is shut. So I think I'll do something about
So
it.
yeah, so use your imagination and have the swayamvar.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, good idea.
But I'm sure Veena Malik is a better option than Rakhi Sawant. She got.
Yeah.
Veena Malik is a better option.
Vivian.
Vivian?
Oh, he will not come back only from the island.
I don't mind. I can be with him on an island actually. He's a super friend. He's a very nice person. I can be with him for hours and hours. They call us gay lovers.
Yeah, because they
I-
really have started looking like that.
Yeah,
I can
because
show you
in
one picture. They look
Because
exact-
in this past few months, me and Vivian we've become very close friends. And now I call him my brother. He called my me.
He's actually like a mother to all the three of
I
us.
call him my mom as well because अगर कोई दर्द है कहीं पे तो विवियन के पास कोई तेल होएगा, you know, he's very much a doctor for us. भूख लगी है तो विवियन कुछ बना देगा. He's a super cook. So कोई टेंशन नहीं आ रही है, कभी कुछ भूख लगेगी तो इस there खाना बना मिलता है.
Only in the show I played his mother, otherwise he's a mother to all three of us. Me, Babis and Suyash.
Sakshi Pradhan.
Ooh.
See,
Okay, seriously, don't show us this reaction.
no. Sakshi for me, she's been sweet to me. And उसके बारे में दुनिया ने जो भी
No, but she is a sweet girl.
Yeah, actually, to me she's been sweet. She's been a nice friend to me. And yeah, Sakshi is that potential.
I guess you all will do yoga on the beach all the time.
No. उसमें क्या है ना, एक वो इंटेलिजेंस लेवल जो होता है वो थोड़ा कम है. थोड़ी फालतू बातें ज़्यादा होंगी. That's it. Nothing much.
If you were a product, so what would be the best tagline you would give for yourself?
I think हंसते रहो हंसाते रहो. Sorry. Because I just keep laughing for no reason.
Exactly. You can see camera.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah.
What about you, Suyash?
What you feeling good?
I don't know. I really do.
I think it will be something with fitness.
Now yes. Yeah.
With tagline.
बोलो यार.
मुझे नहीं पता यार, यही वाले का आंसर मुझे नहीं पता. So I win basically. He doesn't know the answer to this.
There's no competition.
Of course there is.
3 things about Suyash that has remained a mystery to you.
Remained a mystery. No, nothing.
There was one till March last year.
Yeah. उसके बाद तो I know about everything. And yeah, there's no mystery.
What about you?
Nothing. Now, after it's been almost 16 months now, almost 1.5 years. Not anymore. For her, till last March, she was thinking कि शायद मेरी एज एक मिस्ट्री होगी. But जब मैंने अपना बर्थडे केक काटा,
तब मुझे realize
okay, oh shit, like सच में ऐसा है. There was age difference.
Can you pass a mirror without looking into it?
No. मैं तो लिफ्ट में भी एंटर होती हूँ मेरे मिलता है तो हम दोनों ही हैं प्लीज.
Actually, sure.
एक्चुअली सारे टीवी एक्टर्स ऐसे कांट ब्लेम
चलता है,
अस.
exactly.
मिरर से हमारा पुराना रिश्ता है.
Do you have commitment phobia, Suyash?
I definitely had, but now I don't think. It's pretty sorry.
And
She's made me a human. In simple words, she made me a human. I was a जानवर. पंजाबी में डंगर था. She made me a human. She changed me a lot. I thought she's super good.
what about you?
I don't have a commitment phobia at all.
If you had to hack Suyash's computer, so what will be the one thing you will look for in his computer?
I think earlier I would still think of hacking his laptop and his Facebook accounts and all that. But now I would not. Now I don't even look at his phone. Earlier तो ऐसा होता था कि देखो क्या है और
एक मिनट के लिए वॉशरूम में जाता मेरा फोन गायब हो मेरा बीबी का सारे मैसेज. अच्छा
ऐसे चैट करते थे. अच्छा उससे चैट
अभी तक इससे बात करते हैं क्यों?
Because I guess now I know also that he's like he said he's become a human being, so it's just I just trust him too much to do all of that now anymore.
And what about you?
Hacking. If I get a chance to steal something and just throw it away, it's a BB. I always hated her BB. I still hate, and I will always. Because I don't know. BB.
Because my life is on my BB. That's why.
On your BB, your life is BB.
What
is the one habit you want to change in Suyash?
This habit that he doesn't like my BB. He should like it.
It's not a habit.
One habit. I think his anger. He snaps really fast. He gets angry. I guess it's just the Punjabi blood in him. Yeah.
And you, apart from a baby,
Apart from a baby,
like one habit.
or laziness.
You're being really rude.
Or laziness. I really want her to cook something for me someday. Make me eat. Someday. I'm saying it on camera.
Next
One day.
Delhi Chakkar anniversary, I will cook for him in your office.
तक विवेन की तरह खिला चुका हूँ मुझे. I don't mind dating Vivian in that case. Just super. I love you.
बस
I love you.
दीवार in between now.
कुछ फैंस को आप बोलना चाहेंगे अपने तरफ से?
वेल मेरे फैंस तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश होंगे ये अगर दिखा दिया उन्हें या उन्होंने देख लिया या whatever.
Hi. This Kish, what do you call it? Kishstan, no? Kishwar Vasis.
Vasis, yeah.
There are Kishwar Vasis.
But it's amazing that the show has shut, but the way, they still are in love with the characters and how they really, really want the show to come back.
Right.
And I interact with them every day, like nearly every day, because Choti Bahu कर रही थी तो time नहीं मिल रहा था, but I chat with them every day for at least an hour, So yeah, on Facebook, on my official page, and I've met a couple of them, so it's because मैं यहाँ we met one of the fans at Infinity Mall. So I gave her like in writing, I met her and whatever, and for Kishwar Vasis I gave like a message and all.
So they scanned the whole autograph and it was there on the page for all of them.
Wow.
And then when I was traveling for my shows, the play that I'm doing, uske liye when I was traveling, so I met in Delhi, one guy in Delhi. So they get so excited that अगर इनका एक-एक करके नंबर आ गया तो हमारा भी कभी ना कभी तो किश्वर दी हमारे पास भी कभी ना कभी आएगी. We will just bump into her, So it feels really nice. I had never had, I've been in this industry for 15 years, but I've never had, fan following, मतलब जिसे कहते हैं ना जो इस हिसाब की है. And उनसे chat करना and to even have like a conversation with them was very strange
really
in the beginning.
About the all of them. I mean,
Yeah,
I now I am like really. I go on Facebook, but I don't chat on my fan page. Like she doesn't add fans on her account, so she has maintained that fan page. I have few of them, but the way on her page, it's crazy.
Like I think Vivian is obviously the star, but. The way they love me because I react and I reciprocate and I talk and all of that is.
So whenever I get time, I only go on her fan page only and just.
Yeah, and every time he comes also, they get so excited that oh my God, Suyash is also here and all of that.
They
So
love each and every character so much.
yeah, they just love the characters.
Kya Kani is best thing happened for them.
They are wanting like season 2 ka
Exactly, yeah.
See, all of us, even all the actors from the show also, we want the show to come back. But I don't think it's gonna happen yet. Maybe if she gets a chance, maybe she gets
Also
it back.
because I think all the other actors and
All of us,
also
we are
doing,
busy. Yeah, we've signed. All of us, we've signed something else, and it's very difficult to get
it
back.
would be difficult, but you never know. Just like how kitni mohabbat hai,
KMS
back after
season 2
a year.
happened. It was great for Balaji.
You never know.
You never know.
So yeah, thank you for loving us so much. Thank you for loving Sukish so much.
Yeah, exactly.
And like I promised, I promised them videos also, which I couldn't give.
She's really
मेरे birthday
dedicated
पर-
towards the fans.
Yeah, मेरे birthday पर I was supposed to send them like a thank you guys, something like that, not a video, which I couldn't because we were so busy and all that. And उसके बाद से I haven't. So if you really post this video for them, it will be great. They will love it. And mwah, to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.